Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf, wa mimman khalaqna ummatun yahduna bil haqqi wa bihi ya'dilun. Translation: And among those whom we created, there is a nation Ummah who guide with truth and they establish justice therewith. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded us that we should pray, we should call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by His names. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the most beautiful names, and those who distort or blaspheme Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, they will be revenged by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for what they do. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the rightly guided people, about the nation that is on the straight path, that is guided to the truth. And these people, they guide with the truth and they establish justice therewith. And this ummah, this nation is the Ummat Muhammadiyah, the nation of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that from the very beginning they have been on the straight path and they do not increase or decrease in what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided them through our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they have been on the justice and on the straight path, and they call others towards straight path, and they remain themselves on the straight path as well. In the next ayahs, we will study about the opponents, about the enemies of the nation of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, of the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala connect us with the truthful people and make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.